Xander.
Hi.
You're out here on the Fairlane.
Yeah.
What's up, sir?
I got the pulley and everything back on.
Yeah, the replacement.
I found a random spacer back on the shelf. And that's a perfect size. Like, it fit on the shaft and everything, and it seems to be working pretty good.
Yeah, you're perfectly halfway in, halfway out on your fan to the shroud. And this new pulley, it's actually probably going to help this thing cool better because it's going to pump the water slower, so it'll actually have time to sit in the radiator and cool down. Because remember, we got warm, didn't we, one day you were driving? Yeah. So, but no more pulley vibration. All is well. Do you want to go light this candle?
Yeah, I know it is hitting the fan shroud right now, but
we'll move it. Yeah, you just got to move it around a little bit. Fine tuning. Just some fine tuning. I want to check your belt tension, buddy. But it's not vibrating around anymore. All right, so just adjust your shroud a little bit.
Yeah.
Check your belt tension. And maybe we'll go on a little test drive, eh?
Belt tension's fine. Yeah, I don't know. It did that before, remember?
It's probably got some schmutz on it. All right, so let's adjust that, clean her up, and away we go. Thank you, sir.
Yep.